Really enjoy being part of the team and being able to attend the company's workshop. It was actually really interesting to see the perspective of process-based leadership and how well it translates to every business, regardless whether it's manufacturing or even military. We have been doing process-based leadership for about 10 years. We're getting ready to relaunch PBL 2.0 as we're calling it. So we're doing back a lot more training with our organization, bringing them back to our installation, and getting our entire workforce to actually start looking at process-based leadership from a whole different perspective. So we really enjoyed it. It was a great event. We got a lot of new information, being able to benchmark with other sites. So it was awesome for us.
The convention's been a lot of fun. It's been great to learn from other groups, other companies, and from competitive solutions. We are going to be excited to take back and implement what we've learned here, and so hopefully other departments, other orgs will want to get involved as well, and so I think, yeah, we'll look for it.
So this is our first time attending. So far, been very informative, opened our eyes to some different processes and maybe some better practices that we can implement.
I've been in leadership all of my career, so it's always interesting to gain experience on how leadership can be improved. This approach of thermostatic leadership, process-driven leadership could be the difference between my company and any other company, for that matter, being good or great. So obviously we want to be great.